Welcome to Tech Tuesday with Tag, and today we're going to show you how to install a FM modulator in this car. So let's go ahead and take a look. So this car does not have a 3.5mm jack. We're about to change that by adding a button and making it so you can plug your phone into the car and just simply be able to play your phone right over your regular FM radio and make phone calls. So we'll break this dash down and then we'll come back and I'll show you what we did and how we wired it. Alright, so what we did is we hooked up down here. I went ahead and powered it by the DC cigarette plug down here, connected it, 2 wires. We plugged a 3.5 audio adapter to RCA cable into the unit itself. There is 87.9 and 88.3 megahertz channels. We put 87.9 because that's the best one. No one ever transmits on that one. You run your power cable all the way over to your switch, which we put over here. We got a nice switch here, which comes with blue LED lights when you see when we turn it on. Got the car back together. By turning the blue LED lights, we just told our power from the power cable coming over here, tied them together. We're going to ground straight to a ground, if you can see here. Right to any metal chassis part of the body is the ground. So, with the button installed, the next thing is you got to install a splitter. You plug your original antenna into the antenna part there, and then into the radio back here, if you can see. And after that, you're all set. Once she has power, you can turn it on and receive your 3.5, which we have installed down here through a hole drilled, so we can plug in like the original Priuses have. And that's how that works. So we're gonna get the car back together, and at that point I'll show you how it all works and how everything's done. And yeah, watch our video if you don't know how to take a Prius apart and put it together up here, and I'll be right back. And we got everything together. I got my buddy Shane here. He finally joined us. So as you can see here, we got music playing through our 3.5mm jack. We're on 87.9, which is what we have recommended pushed at, and we still get our other channel. Oh, no we don't. But we got a button off right here. Yeah, little button we installed. You have to turn that off to listen to other music. So,
Mix 105.1.
that way we don't get copyrighted. But to get music back on, we just simply push this button right here. Takes a second, and we got our music back.
Our non-copyright music.
Yes.
No
So,
copyright.
with that said, if you want to put it somewhat professionally into your car, not just some 3.5 or FM, if you don't want to put an FM transmitter in your cigarette plug and you want it actually through the thing, you can
With the disruptor. The disruptor is nice because no matter where you go, you're disrupting the ability for your car to pick up that station. So
if there was something trying to
on 87.9, which never really is, but sometimes you find religious channels on there. They seem to like those down south. So if you're down south, this is a good way to interrupt it and get your 3.5.
Yeah, which is much better than...
I like poking things into other things.
Yeah.
I find it very enjoyable.
Yes. So, well, I'm Tristan.
I'm Shane. I'm finally here.
And Tag, you're it.
I'm blasted.
Glasgow's.
Oh, sorry.
Blasted.
It's because this is my phone.